just out of sleep and drinking, smoking on some medicine. And we like to have our bodies leaning towards the feminine. Always rep our city cause you know we from the west side. Always keep it filthy cause you know we from the best side. Bitches always knocking on my door and yeah, let them in. Cause the ladies know that I'm a motherfucking gentleman. Only worries making music and I let the rest slide. Keep on doing what I love until the day I must die. Late nights, late shows, ladies in the front row. Wanna take her back home, tour bus all alone. Adding me on Snapchat, yeah, kinda like that. Sending me your fine ass, helping with the time pass. High fashion. I think I fell asleep in New York, then I woke up in Paris. No bags at the airport. When we land, we go shopping. I don't even wanna talk about it. I don't even wanna talk about it, baby. Okay.
Hi, this is Soumya back on Sachin's vlogs, and I have to give you an update. My hair is back to black.
Bye, Kusum.
Bye. And that sounds looking gorgeous as fuck, but my hair is back to black and I'm not feeling it. I feel like my entire personality got stripped out of me, but
no.
Unfortunately.
But we're feeling it. It's silky, it's smooth, it's sizzling hot.
But yeah.
I'm beautiful. Bye guys.
Stains on my jeans. High fashion.
Great love.
Crowd.
Oh my god! I love it!
Woo! Baby was catching my vibe, smoking the dope and then getting real high. Leaning and whisper you want me, but tell me why I'm not surprised. Pour you a drink, tell me.
Hello.
Hi!
Hi.
Kiss you in public, we getting the ride. Attitude, well that was rude. My last love left me black and blue. Throwback when I had a boo, but I had it.
Okay.
But you can't be my baby. No, say you could be my babe, but you can't be my lady.
I know. Actually, so two of the people sit there.
At the very
Go sit, Anju. So hello guys, what do you want to talk about today?
don't break anything. Except for we have to still.
Wait, you can't see shit in that.
Wait, I want to see the angle. Shanta breaking her fast with a slice cup packet. And even Shoaib is breaking his fast
What the
with
hell, dude?
maza.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah, and
I
Domino's to break their fast. Haha.
I'm not fasting, but I got free Mountain Dew, so I'm happy.
Sure.
Baptize these beats so magically, naturally. Girls all flock to the spot cause they know I got that cash with me. I swear, I swear.
Looks good. What is this? Oh wow!
How are you?
Wow!
I'm the artist. I'm the artist.
You did it.
Hey, take a good art, the art and
No, you could be my babe.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. The nation wants to know today. Who killed Sushant Singh Rajput? Yes, the biggest topic of the day is who killed Sushant Singh Rajput? We have Riya Chakraborty as the culprit. Yes, she's also been involved in black magic, ladies and gentlemen.
Summer when the air's nice nights, every day is a new life. We live it so right, skinny dipping by the poolside. We just had a sipping, drinking, smoking on some medicine. And we like to have our parties leaning towards the feminine. Always rep our city cause you know we from the west side. Always keep it filthy cause you know we from the best side. Bitches always knocking on my door and yeah, let them in. Okay, I've been alright. I've been messing around with this girl for a minute. She just came down in the summer for a visit. We just right now in the moment, so we live it. I've been okay, I've been alright. I've been getting
Baby, you make me feel young, like I just turned 21.
Hello guys, बारिश है. Okay, as you can see, too much बारिश today. चुप कर बीसी. मैं घोड़ा हूँ, मेरा गांड बहुत है.
Try on my shoes and then search my face now. Well, I could tell you're not done, and I would usually run, but I don't mind if you stay by my side and never let go.
Shut up, how dare you?
Hey, look! I hate people who have glasses will know the pain.
Then don't wear glasses, it's a choice.
I don't mind if you stay by my side and never let go. I don't mind if you stay all the time and never let go.
You do realize everyone's watching you guys, right?
Who cares?
As they should. We are America.
The harder the better, Rain.
कृष्ण जयंती का लोकल. बारिश है गाइस. बारिश. मेरा सचिन ब्लॉग करे हूँ.
Don't put this on.
बारिश देखना है आप.
Today Sachin is obsessed with himself as always, but more.
Today,
Aren't we always, bro?
weather. Cute girlfriend. Literally bunking classes and doing this. What the fuck?
One time also last.
Hey, come on, Ganeshi. He's saying he has dance. See? Okay, dance. It's just us and the weather and the laughs.
Did no one take that? People are dancing. Oh my god, it's raining.
Guys, hello.
It's raining.
The whole point is it's raining.
I did. It's raining.
बारिश है.
No, we're not going. Hey, stop it.
I don't mind if you stay.
The whole
Who are you with?
Of course,
And I'm giving her support.
Oh yeah.
Ashiki! We support.
इस जेब में अधूरे सपने ही हैं जिन्हें लेकर दिल है चल रहा फिर से झिंझोड़ती लोगों की बातें हैं जिसे तूने हर दिन है सुना पर फिक्र न कर एक दिन सब सही हो जाएगा जिन रास्तों से रहा तू डर उन्हीं पे तू मुस्काएगा रोना है जो तू रो ले जीवर के इन लम्हों में पर कदमों को रुकने ना दे ढलती हर शामों के बाद खिलती है फिर से किरणें कहता है आफताब ये पर फिक्र न कर एक दिन सब सही हो जाएगा